My name is Cathy. I'm 57. I had my second manipulation under anesthesia. I was home one day and I was just kind of searching the web. I was just looking up complications of total knee replacement, and lo and behold, I see this X10 therapy come up. It led me to something that talked about patients who had gone under a first manipulation, but not only that, a second. And I said, I'm going to email this PJ Ewing. He emailed me back almost immediately with a kind of just a short response that said, I'm sorry, but you know, at this time our therapy is not available in the state of Arizona, but here are some other resources for you. A little voice just said to me, no, you're not going to accept no for an answer. So I called PJ. He immediately picked up the phone. I said, hi PJ, this is Cathy from Arizona. I said, I see that your headquarters is in Michigan. I said, it just so happens that I have a son and a daughter-in-law that live in Michigan. I'll do whatever it takes. He said, yes, we have people that travel. The machine got set up. I was trained on the machine within 5 minutes. It's the easiest thing to use ever. Just punch buttons, and it's actually pretty fascinating to see what it will do. The X10 is a miracle machine. I've been able to be in control of my pain, which is little to none. I can get back to golf. I know I can get back to gardening. I know I can get back to chasing after my grandchildren. I know I can endure another week of fun and frolic at the lake house in Michigan. I'll be 17 days, concluding at almost 120 degrees. And I feel like I've just received the gold medal.